Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add YouTube link to Instagram bio. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open the YouTube app on your device. If you want to share a video, just open the video you want to share and copy the link of it. Tap on these three dots, then share, then copy link. Now we have the YouTube video link. Exit YouTube. Go to Instagram application. Tap on your profile icon. Then go to Edit Profile and click on the Add Links button right here. Then add external link, and you want to paste your link in the URL bar right here. If you want, you can add a title for your link. I have already added one of my YouTube channel link here. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.